In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a single clip in DaVinci Resolve. If you only need to export one specific clip from your timeline instead of rendering the entire project, DaVinci Resolve gives you a quick and simple way to do that directly from the edit timeline. This is especially useful if you want to send out one finished shot, create a reusable file, or save a processed version of a clip with effects already applied. To begin, go to your timeline and locate the clip you want to export. Make sure you're selecting the correct clip before moving forward, because this process will apply only to the item you choose. Once you've found it, click on the clip to highlight it, then right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Render in Place. This option allows DaVinci Resolve to create a new rendered version of just that clip, without requiring you to export the entire sequence through the Deliver page. It's a fast and practical method when your goal is to work with a single piece of media. After selecting Render in Place, a settings window will appear. Here you can adjust a few important options before starting the render. First, you can change the file name. This is a good idea if you want to keep your exported clip organized and easy to identify later, especially if you're working with multiple versions. Next, you can choose the codec. The codec determines how the clip will be encoded, which can affect quality, file size, and compatibility. If you're not sure which one to use, just remember that this setting should match the purpose of your export, whether that's smooth editing, sharing, or archiving. You'll also notice several checkboxes below the main settings. These provide additional options for how the clip is rendered. Take a moment to review them carefully, since they can change the result depending on your workflow. If you already know what you need, enable the options that fit your project. If not, leaving the default choices is often a safe starting point. Once everything looks good, click Render. DaVinci Resolve will then process that single clip and create the rendered file based on the settings you selected. That's all it takes to export a single clip using Render in Place in DaVinci Resolve. It's a straightforward technique that can save time and make your workflow much more efficient when you don't need to render a full timeline.